Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Ubah Himalaya M Sangpliang ubolong dukhat jong BJP hak shiterik ujambang arja apulai ulakantui ko sarkar jala bakanya keren bagi bor jong sarkar pedeng hak abaide bagi jing penmi ya jing petha lingba katana social welfare bagi khunlung gidei banhaban shondor adhar handai lem kumta kindu lot ya jing bam temet balamang lingba ki agan wadi center. Ubah Sangpliang bolong teng director jong katana social welfare hak isnam gi bamenchwa menba udang long syakri sarkar ula ongru bulayo jing ujo nagi pajma Hakabaide berjing bambiang jong gidawai dashin hagi dispensary, hagi primary health center, hagi community health center, habarok kowe gejala. Kat hadu bala pensok sat, yaki pajba kibalej buat jingarap nagi ni gejaka jing sumar. Halor kani ubah Sangpliang ulai tu baga BJP kan senang yai budien, yaki ni gijing duna nalor gijing budien yaki kampam sap, hagi tenak terekam jong kesorka jela.
Nga masyukwa panomtang si kentin. Nakaliang ka parti ngingin budin ya karukam trikam jok soka. Kajing budin kan long kham tam ya kayo kakot ya uduk usuk. Ngalayo khubor bab don bon ki hospital don bon ki PHCs ki CCs kim biang kadawai kumalong mata. Kadang kajing ya ki beduk kibawan nang kendom bakin yo kadawai kadang gajing haka smart card bakam trikam na kentu ke sarkar baki dawai haki hospital haki dispensary baroh de ban poi ban de ban biang kabaar kama kwa bangan om bakaladon ke order na ke central government na ke social welfare department baong hana hapshon adhar iki klung barok lada umshon adhar iki klung kamot on pendu ya ka bam ya pendaki klung haki angan wadi center kalong ke bolong serious nomor pelai ha ka state jongi hadu menta kajing shondur adhar iki klung kampat sedang kata kamot ka ap kajing ba lasai ya ka bam yung khao ya ki vitamin badiwan ai di klung haki ngan wadi sandar ki kinumyo shu normal ka central government kan sakhang kan sa stop ya ka supplies jong ini ki jingpa kita kilong ki concern on the day bangi pe ka corruption whether government departments are implementing their scheme in the right earnest. This is what we are concerned about.